Hey y'all, I'm going to do a little follow-up video on the myths about boondocking. We're going to talk about safety in this video. Stay tuned. You might get a little bit out of it. Hey everybody, this is Randy, the Mobile Traveler. How y'all doing today? I hope this video finds you well. Well, this video here today is on safety while boondocking. I talked to you guys a little bit about that during my last video I put up. So here it is. Okay, the first point I want to talk on is make sure you have good phone service. With good phone service, you'll be able to get a hold of anybody you need to get a hold of. Be it that you feel in danger, or if you get hurt, you'll be able to call somebody. Verizon is a good one, T-Mobile, and I use Straight Talk from Walmart. I'm going to push Straight Talk, and it's through the Verizon towers, or actually whichever tower is closer, that's who Straight Talk uses. I have been 99% of the places I've gone, I've had good phone service. That's one concern. That's probably one of the most important for me. Okay, number two, let somebody know where you're at. It's family, friends, anybody. Let them know where you're going. Let Billy Joe Jim Bob know you're going to be there a week. Check in on them. They will check in on you. Call them every now and then. Say, hey, everything's going good. Then your family or your friends won't worry about you. I have seen it before where, hey, we haven't heard from you for a while, so they send a local police officer out there, and they say, hey, how you doing? Well, I'm doing good. No, your family hasn't seen you for a while, so they wanted us to check. And that's going to get your old heart to skip a beat, right? Okay. Number three is, this is kind of funny, little deterrent. Get yourself a sticker that says video surveillance in progress, or this vehicle is equipped with an alarm system. Put yourself out a little fake camera up on the top of your rig or something. Nobody needs to know it doesn't work. And in my experience, criminals aren't very smart. No offense to you criminals out there. Sorry. Get one that says, guard dog, enter at your own risk. Nobody wants to get bit by a dog. I don't care if it's a Chihuahua or a Cujo. That's going to scare somebody. If you're traveling alone, number three, put 2 chairs out. Maybe put a size 12 pair of boots out by the door. Not new boots. Go get a secondhand pair. Coat them with mud. Make them look used. Maybe, hey, get yourself a big dog dish. We're talking a big one. One that a German Shepherd would use. Leave it sit outside. Better yet, get 2. Leave one half full of water. They're going to think you got a dog around. Because like I said, the elevator don't go to the top if you're going to want to steal stuff. Let's see. What number am I on now? Heck, I don't know. Talk to fellow travelers. Because there's no better sense of security than talking to somebody that's already been there. Find out the safe places to go. The next, there's safety in numbers. You don't always have to camp alone. Find somebody to travel with. You don't have to park next to them. Just have them down the street a little bit. That'll help you. I guarantee it. You know, I have yet to find or to have any issue with safety on the road. But then again, yes, I'm a male. And I can understand a lot of females out there having their apprehensions on traveling alone. Don't be scared. Be cautious. If you're in an RV, don't put your leveling blocks out. Have your keys readily available so you can just jump in the driver's seat and guess what? You're gone. If you do have a chair outside and you're actually threatened, you can leave that $4.99 chair behind, because your safety is much more important than that. Come back the next day and pick it up if you want, but you can leave. You don't need to be that level sometimes. It's like water off a duck's butt. You got to let it roll. Let that chair sit and leave. Okay, we're going to pause this right here, and I'm going to come back to you with a few more other little scary things. Be right back. Hey y'all. Okay, what I want to talk about now is weapons. Safety weapons. I am not an advocate. I repeat, I'm not an advocate for having a firearm. If you're going to have a firearm, all I can say is make sure you know how to use it. Make sure you're prepared to use it. I have used firearms in the past. They're scary. A firearm, remember, it can be used against you if you're not fully trained on using one. So definitely, Randy's not telling you to get a firearm. But if you want one, get your training and know what it's all about. Okay. The second thing, have yourself some bear spray. If it's going to stop a bear, it's going to stop a criminal. It's going to protect you. Have some wasp spray. You can shoot that wasp spray about 20 feet, not very spendy. And it will subdue somebody long enough for you to get away, get in your car, and leave. Leave your stuff. Just get in your car and leave. Be safe, people. Pepper spray is another thing you could use. Protect yourself. Keep yourself straight. Make sure you know. Just stumbled. Did you see that? Just ball fell on my keister because I wasn't safe. I was videotaping instead of watching where I was going. That's the other thing. If you're out here in the desert at this time of year, watch out for snakes. See, Randy should have been looking down at his feet. But no, I wasn't safe. Oh well, stubbed my toe. Alright. Like I say, be safe out there. Be smart. I'll come back to you. Hey y'all. Okay. Safety. You be safe. Use common sense when you're out boondocking. Be cautious. Get on the internet. Get some more tips. Do a little bit of investigation. But remember, it'll be alright. Okay, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. If you want to subscribe, please do. Hit that bell and you will get notification when I put another video out. Alright, Be safe, people. Travel on and love one another if you can. All right, we'll see y'all later.